Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. Today I'm going to be planning for the first week in September in my horizontal planner. This is the one that I use for hand-lettered inspirational quotes. And you guys, I have the horizontal sticker book from a couple of years ago. I totally forgot I even had it, and hello, horizontal planner, horizontal stickers. So for those of you that don't have this book, it's kind of like a color story book, but all the stickers are meant to go in a horizontal planner. So for example, the to-do lists and whatnot are spaced to work for a horizontal, classic size horizontal planner. Of course, I don't use my planner like that, so I don't know how many of those I'll be able to use. I'm just noticing these cactuses, and I think I want to use these. I like the green with the green and the tiny little hits of pink. So I'm going to start like I always do. I'm going to go ahead and cover up this corner. And I'm just noticing this hot pink. It's almost red. And I don't like it. I don't like it. If it was a pastel pink, I think it would go okay. But since it's like really super hot pink, almost red, I don't like it. So I'm going to cut it off because I'll never use that sticker. I'm going to do some sticker surgery and cut that off and use that to cover this corner here. And then we'll go from there. So I bet you these to-do lists are also spaced right to go work with the dashboard planner, and here's why. The dashboard planner is divided up the same way that this one is, in that it has four sets of days on a side, right? So it's divided. I bet you anything that those will work with the dashboard planner. I'll have to check that later and report back to you guys, but just, there are only so many ways you can divide up a page. So that's cute. It's not tall enough, but I don't care because I can cover up most of this week. Oh, it fits exactly left to right, side to side. And I don't mind if those little spots show, so let's just kind of center it. Cute. Look on the bright side, and then I can put my one big word right here. Okay, let's see what, so this is a different section. So what I was starting to say was, it's like a color storybook in that there are several pages of a theme. So this is like farmhouse. There are several pages of stickers that match the farmhouse book. And then this section that I'm just in is Happy Illustrations. So I did grab the regular Happy Illustrations book too, so that I can augment with this book as needed. So here. Well, let's just start by looking at cactus stuff. Okay, here we go. Create your own sunshine. So look on the bright side, create your own sunshine. There aren't a ton of stickers in here actually that are going to work for me the way I use this planner. This one would work as a box to attribute a quote to somebody, as long as I cover up plans. I could almost put like reminder over that. I could actually write in these, but they don't fit my theme since I'm going with the cactuses. I'm wondering if awesome would cover that. It looks like it will. Here we go. Here's some decor looking sharp. That's cute. And that's it. Now I'm into the next section. Okay. So what about in here? So I'm thinking maybe I want to put this one up here to get those two that match, since it's just the two of them and they kind of match. That way they're kind of far apart. There we go. Okay. Okay. And then let's see what we got in here. This might be kind of hard, actually. I could maybe use... all the things, but I don't need the list box, so I could do more sticker surgery. This book's a couple years old as well. Okay, there are a couple more boxes I could use for quotes to attribute to someone. Not many cactuses in here. Okay, there's some paper ones. And some more clear ones. Wow. Be kind to yourself. So that's the only other box quote I got. Okay. Well, my goodness. Let's see. Let's go ahead. I want to cover up plants. So let's cover that up with U-Rock. And I'm actually kind of thinking... maybe I'll put this here. So there. Yeah, let's put this here. And we'll just, I guess I'll just kind of let that be what's in that box. You know what I mean? Like, it doesn't need a whole lot more than that. Actually, there were paper, hang on, there were paper cactus stickers in here. So I could add just a little bit more. Just to kind of fill that up a little bit. Okay, so that quote can go there with the person who said it there. I kind of want to use this somewhere, this big clear sticker. So it could go here, because I think I like it. So it's either got to be aligned with this one, or it's got to be aligned with this one. I think I like it aligned here better. There. Okay. This is going to be hard. I know I said that already, but it is. Because there just aren't that many stickers. Oh my gosh. Like, okay, so I think I need to go with quote boxes on those two pages. There were some quote boxes that went by. Here we go. This one. That's a different shade of green. Anything else? So there's one. I kind of don't want them, I don't want it in line there. Put it over here. Let's put it over here. And I think I just want to add a few more cacti to go with this. Maybe if I put it, let's put it up high, and then I can put more cacti, a little grouping underneath it. That'll work. Are the ones in here that big? So much for using the horizontal book, huh guys? I'm like not using it at all. Okay, I want the box sticker over the cactus because it's just the white part that it's going to overlap. There we go. Let's put one of these little things. Oh, that's way bigger than I thought it was. Okay. It's going to sneak that in between them, but it's big. Okay. And then let's put another little... let's put a clear grouping here. I feel like they're all going to turn out the same though. I need another box. Is there one in another section? That's way big. But it is the right color. At least you guys are getting to see a new book that you might not have seen before, since it's been out for a really long time. I could make that one work. It's got the right colors. And it says Weekend Adventure, so I could put it like here. Let's do that. Actually, you know what? I might bring it down a little bit. Let's do that. Let's bring it down a little bit and cover up the word notes with it. Since I only put like one really big word with my fat pens there, I guess I should have put it there, huh? All right, slight change of plans. Let's do this. Let's swap these two. We can do this. And actually, can I use the cactus to cover up notes? I bet I can. Okay, I'm ended up with stickers everywhere. Okay, so now that I peeled those up, I can go ahead and start with this grass here. Cover up notes. And then go around it with the cactus. Kind of make my little grouping. There. And we'll put this guy here. And then can this still fit? Pretty much. If I get it straight. There we go. Okay. Now if we put Weekend Adventure kind of up here, but I want a box to attribute this quote to somebody, I think. We're getting there. I got one page almost done. Was there a really long box? It's too long. It's just too long. Oh, wait a second. What about this? Don't forget. That could work. Like, don't forget that this is by this person, although it's really small. I don't think there's any green this color in the... Oh, maybe. Those are pretty. I should use this section. I like that first section. It's got more green in it than I was thinking. What about in this book? This one could work. How about another one of these? This little pink flower kind of matches, so I could use this one. But then I have the only two boxes that match on the same page. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Don't forget. And I kind of want to put a cactus there. A skinny one though. This is the skinniest one. Okay. Okay, I think that page might be pretty good. I need to do here and here. So I like this gold box actually. That could work. Let's do, if I do the gold box here with more cactus, that could work. It's not super close to that one. I'm just trying to figure out which of these two cactuses are mirror images of each other. So I was just trying to figure out which one would fit better. I think if I tuck it under like that one, this one will fit better. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay, one spot left. I could go either way with putting a box on that or not. So, oh, those are huge. They're also clear, which I've got mostly paper, so maybe I should use clear ones. Is there anything else like in the right color scheme that I could use with that? I know, it feels like all I'm doing is flipping. I think I need to stick with these. I think the other ones are going to be too tall for that space. I just like this little plant kind of tucked in between the two cacti. A little cluster. That's cute. Maybe I'll use mostly pink and peachy pens to pull out the colors. I actually have 4. Oh, I already have 4 boxes for attributing quotes to people. I forgot it. I keep not counting this one. So I might be done, actually. I keep forgetting to count that one. I think it's done. I mean, I feel like all you guys did was watch me flip through books, but that's kind of all there is to it. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this in my planner. It's got a little bit of gold here and there, so it should look great on the gold discs. There we go. There is my horizontal inspirational hand lettered quotes planner for the week of August 30th through September 5th, using some stickers from the horizontal sticker book, but mostly just like the succulents from the Happy Illustrations line. There was a planner that matched these a couple years ago. So anyway, I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to try a horizontal planner for something for yourself. If it does, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.